Operators in the construction industry are reminded that the Bureau of Standards Jamaica, BSJ, through its Quality Institute, remains committed to providing appropriate training to build a safe, professional, and fully certified construction industry. Speaking at a JIS think tank on April 27, Manager of Communication and Customer Service at the BSJ, Maxine Fagan, shared the offerings of the BSJ in this area.
In terms of training specific for the construction sector or industry, we have trainings such as the JS35 standard for hollow concrete blocks, training on the JS124 standard for aggregates for concrete, and the JS33 standard for hot rolled steel bars for the reinforcement of concrete. All of the materials must be safe for use in construction, and this is of course emphasized in these training programs. So yes, we walk you through the standard so you understand the content of the standard and you understand how to apply the standard. We will also take you out in the field.
Ms. Fagan emphasized that the use of safe materials and procedures.
And the objective really is to provide a safe, quality goods and services, to use safe quality construction materials, procedures, methods, and practices must, and I say again, must be the order of the day in order to enable a safe quality buildings, roads, curb walls, bridges, reservoirs, and all other construction products.
Branch Manager for Testing and Industrial Services within the Metrological and Testing Division at the BSJ, Richard Lawrence, says Jamaica has seen a rise in the construction industry within the last 5 years.
We are seeing a projection for an increase in the construction sector. It is setting up Jamaica to have greater economic boom as well. So we recognize the impact that it can have, and so we have pooled our resources to focus on construction. But as Maxine said, we are focusing on other areas, but this is one of the high priority areas for the country.